Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we will talk about hand embroidery designs. Hand embroidery is a lovely art that has been popular for many years. People all around the world enjoy making embroidery on clothes, pillow covers, tablecloths, bags and many other items. It is relaxing, creative and a wonderful hobby for all ages. Hand embroidery is special because every design is made with care and passion. Even simple stitches can create beautiful patterns. Some people enjoy embroidery as a hobby, while others turn into a small business. Hand embroidery always looks unique and elegant. Let's start with floral embroidery designs. Flower patterns are one of the most popular choices in embroidery. Roses, sunflowers, lavender and tiny flowers look beautiful on fabric. Floral embroidery can be colorful and bright or soft and simple. Many people decorate dresses, dupattas and cushion covers with flower embroidery because it gives a fresh and feminine look. Another beautiful idea is leaf and vine embroidery. These designs are simple but very stylish. Green leaves and delicate vines can fill empty spaces and make any embroidery design look complete. This type of embroidery is perfect for beginners because it is easy to practice. Now let's talk about traditional embroidery design. Different countries have their own embroidery style. Some designs use mirrors, beads or colorful threads. Traditional embroidery often has delicate patterns and rich colors. These designs are commonly used on wedding dresses, shawls and festive outfits. Minimal embroidery is also becoming very popular. Small flowers, hearts, stars or teeny patterns look modern and elegant. Many people like minimal embroidery on shirts, daman, jackets and tote bags because it gives a soft handmade touch without looking too heavy. Animal embroidery design are beautiful fun idea. Birds, butterflies, cats and rabbits are very popular choices. Butterfly embroidery looks especially beautiful because colorful wings can make the design bright and eye-catching. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again in the beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.